Hey everybody, I wanted to do a quick video on how to do thresholds for microwave or wireless backhauls under Libra. So the premise is you want to monitor your signal levels on a microwave or a licensed backhaul, 6 gig, 11 gig, 18 gig, whatever. And you want to set thresholds that are realistic. So you don't want it alerting you, all the time, but you want to know if something happens. So my philosophy on this is I want to know if it moves 5 dB. So 5 dB in the microwave world is quite a bit. So the way we can do that is we're going to go to devices here. We're going to go down to all devices and we're going to go to wireless. Now today on this network we have some Mimosa backhauls, so that's what we're going to work with. They're pretty straightforward. So we're going to click on the backhaul. That's going to bring up the backhaul page. And then we're going to go over here to the little gear here. And we're going to click Edit. And once that loads, we're going to look for the wireless sensors here. So once that's loaded up, we're going to go down here. And like I said, on the Mimosa, it's pretty straightforward. We have our horizontal chain, and we're going to have our vertical chain. Right now, they're currently in a neg 56. On this backhaul, that's not target by far. Target's somewhere in the 40s. So we got to get climbers out there and check this out at one point. But, say target is 40. So our high side, we want to know if it moves, 5 dB on either side. So, if we're going to pretend right now that our target, we've met target, say neg 56. So we're going to set this to a neg 50, and the neg 60 is good. So we're going to do neg 50, and the values automatically change. So what happens is if by some miracle it gets better by 5 dB, or actually 6 dB, we're going to get an alert. But more likely what's going to happen is, it's going to get worse. So we know, hey, if it gets down to a neg 60 or worse, kick an alert for us. Now, you're going to have to adjust this for every backhaul in the network, because all your targets are going to be different in the licensed world and in the unlicensed world. Not everything's going to be a target of, say, neg 40. You're going to have some 30s, you're going to have some high 40s. And we all know that 50 dB or 5 dB is quite a bit of range in the microwave world. So if it loses 5 dB, that's something to be concerned about. In a 5 gigahertz backhaul, that's not really that big of a deal, but in the license world, that's a big deal. So yeah, that's pretty much what we're looking at.